Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO M7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive button to connect. Then close all visible ads after your transfer is done. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!